older guys can attract younger women using this technique. Feeling like age has become a hurdle in your pursuit of the younger woman? Well, you're in the right place, because today we are revealing the key techniques that older men can use to attract younger women. And believe me, this is a game changer. So let's dive in and give a fresh twist to your love life. Remember, gentlemen, it's not about trying to be someone you are not, but highlighting the charismatic and desirable qualities you already possess. So stick around and you'll soon be the seasoned charmer younger women cannot resist. Show her you are emotionally mature. Ever wondered why women of all ages are often attracted to the older man? Here's the secret sauce: emotional maturity. Psychologists say that emotional maturity, something that often comes with age, is like a magnet to younger women. Unlike their younger counterparts, older men have had more life experiences and therefore developed a more mature emotional outlook. So when you are in a conversation, share your wisdom and emotional intelligence. Show her that you are a man who understands and manages his emotions well. It's a secret weapon in your dating arsenal. Now, are you ready to use it? Let her know that you want to settle down. Have you ever thought about how attractive stability can be? Studies show that younger women often gravitate towards the older man due to their perceived stability, both financially and emotionally. So let her know that you are looking to settle down, that you are done playing games, and that you're ready for something real and lasting. This sense of security and stability can be incredibly appealing to the younger woman. Isn't it great to know that your years have endowed you with such a magnetic trait? Show her that you can create good relationships. Did you know that your ability to create and maintain good relationships is a major attraction factor for younger women? Experts agree that younger women are often drawn to the older man because of their ability to build healthy, fulfilling relationships. It's not just about romantic relationships, but friendships, family relationships, and work relationships too. Now, are you the type of man who can foster these kinds of relationships? If so, it's time to show her. Display a sense of high self-esteem. Now, what do you think is the most attractive quality in a man? It's confidence. Displaying a high level of self-esteem can really turn the tables in your favor when it comes to dating younger women. Studies show that confidence is often one of the most attractive qualities in a partner. Show her that you're comfortable in your own skin, that you've embraced your age and your life experiences. Now, are you ready to flaunt your confidence? Don't be afraid to show off your skills in bed. Now, are you afraid of showing off your skills in bed? Well, don't be, because let's face it, we often associate age with experience, and this is true even in the bedroom. When done with respect and consent, expressing your skills in bed can add to your appeal. Remember, it's not just about physicality, but also about the emotional connection. So, are you ready to communicate your desires and listen to hers as well? Show off your assets. Have you ever wondered, what are your greatest assets? Everyone has something they excel at. Psychologists say that showing off your assets, be it your career, your hobbies, your skills, can significantly enhance your appeal. But remember, the key is not to brag, but to subtly display your strengths. So, are you ready to step into the spotlight and let your best qualities shine? Show your level of life experience. Consider this. What advantages do your years bring you in the dating game? Absolutely, it's life experience. Studies show that younger women often find the life experience of the older man enticing. Your years have gifted you with a wealth of experiences and a nuanced understanding of the world. Sharing these insights can create a deeper bond between you and your younger counterpart. Isn't it time you put that worldly wisdom to use? Lead a healthy lifestyle. Now, did you know that leading a healthy lifestyle can be a significant attraction factor? Absolutely. Younger women are drawn to vitality, and experts agree that an older man who takes care of his health radiates this. Your exercise routine, nutritious diet, and mental wellness practices showcase that you value your overall well-being. And who wouldn't want to be with someone who understands the importance of good health? Dress to impress. Think about this. What does your style say about you? Experts confirm that the way that you dress greatly impacts first impressions. Dressing well not only boosts your confidence, but also displays your taste and personality. So whether you are a suit and tie guy or more of a casual chic kind of man, make sure your attire reflects the real you. So are you ready to dress to impress? Display gentlemanlike qualities. Do you believe that chivalry is a thing of the past? Think again. The allure of gentlemanlike qualities has never waned. Small acts of courtesy like opening doors, putting out chairs, and respectful conversation can set you apart in the world of modern dating. Studies show that these gestures demonstrate respect and admiration. Qualities, let me tell you, that younger women find irresistible. So, are you prepared to show off your gentlemanly side? Be a positive person. How much value do you place on positivity? Well, it's time to realize that being a positive person can make you incredibly attractive. Psychologists affirm that positivity has a magnetic effect on people. Show her your optimistic view of the world, your resilience in the face of challenges, and your ability to find joy in the everyday. After all, who wouldn't want to be with someone who lights up their life? Have your life in order. Have you ever taken a moment to consider just how organized your life is? Psychologists emphasize that having your life in order can be a powerful attraction factor. Your organized life is an indicator of responsibility and the ability to manage tasks, which can be quite appealing to younger women. So, are you ready to tidy up your life and elevate your appeal? Show that you are responsible. Have you noticed how often reliable is listed as a desirable trait? Demonstrating that you are responsible is more attractive than you might think. Studies show that younger women value the stability and dependability that often comes with an older man's maturity. Well, it's time to show her that you are someone she can count on, don't you think? Appear to be mysterious. Ever wondered what keeps people intrigued in novels and movies? Well, it's the mystery. Bringing a sense of mystery to your persona can make you irresistibly intriguing. Remember, it's about balancing openness with a little bit of enigma. This keeps her curious and eager to learn more about you. So, are you ready to add a dash of intrigue to your dating life? Show that you are understanding. Ever stop to consider the power of understanding? That's right. Demonstrating empathy and understanding is a surefire way to attract younger women. Experts agree that being understanding and compassionate resonates deeply with all individuals regardless of age. Show her that you're not only a good listener, but also someone who truly understands. Isn't it time that you used your empathetic side to your advantage? Let her know that you are not afraid of commitment. Now, do you think that commitment is a little bit scary? Well, let's flip the script. Showing that you are not afraid of commitment can actually make you incredibly desirable. In a world where commitment can sometimes be hard to find, psychologists confirm that a readiness to commit can make you stand out in the dating scene. Ready to let her know that you are in it for the long haul? Show off your class. Have you ever noticed how class never goes out of style? Carrying yourself with class can make a lasting impression. It's about your demeanor, your respect for others, and your personal style. Experts suggest that a sense of class is a universally attractive quality. So, isn't it time to let your class speak volumes about you? Have your own place. Have you ever considered how attractive independence can be? Having your own place is not just about physical space, it's also about proving your independence and stability. Psychologists point out that independence is a universally attractive trait. It shows that you've got things under control. So, are you ready to show her that you can stand on your own 2 feet? Show that you are able to look out for yourself. Ever pondered the attractiveness of self-reliance? Being able to look out for yourself is a surefire way to signal maturity and capability. Studies show that women, regardless of age, find self-sufficient men attractive. So show her that you are capable of handling life's ups and downs. Ready to let your self-reliance shine? Be a rock for her. Do you understand the power of support in a relationship? Being a rock for her doesn't mean solving all her problems. It's actually about providing emotional support. Experts confirm that emotional stability and dependability are significant factors that women look for in a partner. Ready ready to be the rock she can lean on when waves get tough? Don't come on too strong. Ever wondered about the difference between being assertive and coming on too strong? Well, it's all about balance. Experts suggest that assertiveness is attractive, but coming on too strong can be overwhelming. So show her your interest, but remember to respect her space and pace. Isn't it time you mastered the art of subtlety? Show her that you can take the lead. Do you recognize the allure of a good leader? Taking the lead, especially in early dating stages. This can be incredibly attractive. It's about making decisions, initiating plans, and displaying confidence. Studies show that these leadership traits are attractive to women, so are you ready to take the reins? Look out for her. Have you thought about how your protective instincts can influence your attractiveness? Looking out for her doesn't mean that she's weak. It's actually about showing that you care. Psychologists agree that women are often drawn to men who make them feel safe and valued. So, are you ready to let your protective side show? Care for her. Ever wondered how much your care can impact a relationship? Showing genuine care for her can make a world of difference. It's not just about grand gestures, but the small acts of kindness that demonstrate your concern. Psychologists assert that this can be a key element of attraction. So, are you ready to let your caring side shine? Ignore what people think. Do you find yourself worrying about what others think? Well, here's the secret. Confidence comes when you ignore unnecessary opinions. Studies show that people who live authentically, unfazed by others' judgments, are more attractive. So, isn't it time you embraced your choices with confidence? Have some game. Have you ever noticed how charm can light up a room? Having game isn't about manipulation or tricks. It's about confident communication, genuine interest, and respectful flirting. Psychologists suggest that these skills can greatly enhance your appeal. So, are you ready to let your charming personality do all of the talking? That's it for now, but don't worry, there is much more wisdom awaiting. You could dive into the secret traits that make you irresistible, or explore ways to make her chase you. As always, we appreciate your time. Please like, comment, subscribe, and keep the love flowing.